Yeah, when it's not in its case.
It's okay. Come on. Just wiggle it and then it just, starts doing it again.
He does.
It's weird, isn't it? It was that piece of cardboard.
Yeah, chews it all up.
Cookie does that.
He does.
Go on. I'm not giving it you to just look at, am I? You actually can. Go on, it's okay. It's okay. I don't really need toilet rolls.
Well, it's
Things
just,
anyway.
yeah, the tube.
We don't need that, but we do need toilet rolls. It's okay. It's okay. See? It's okay when someone brings you out of your cage. They're not doing out to you. All they're doing is trying to get you to come out of your cage for a bit. Isn't it? Yeah? Don't throw it at me.
Watch your fingers, just in case.
Yeah, that's what I do. Oh, I know what he wants. You got more, don't you? Yeah.
Yippee!
There we go.
Spreading his wings out and having a good old rest.
Likes resting on pillows.
He
That's why
does.
I did it on a pillow. Let's chew that bit up for a minute. Go on then. No. Go on. Go on. It's okay. I'm not giving it to you for no reason. Go on, I won't trick you. I won't trick you, little Toby. So.
Yeah, that's mean,
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get this bit just in case if he tries to bite my finger. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Still got some. Toby. Yeah. Can you get that folded bit? Yeah, you can. If it's a folded bit, it doesn't matter to Toby. You can just grab it anywhere you want. Go on. I'm not going to take it away from you. Come on. Come on. That's a good Toby. It's okay.
Careful.
It's okay. You're only moving cardboard. What? You just took it. You just took it, haven't you? Come on. No, I'm not doing that.
You gotta go slow, do you know? Don't go by him, but go slow movements.
Oh, she just threw it up back at me. Oh, it's okay. I'm getting you some more. I'll get you some more in a minute. Because you're running out now. Because you've been, chewing it. Get all good. Yeah? Yeah? You like cardboard, don't you? I don't know how Toby likes the flavour of cardboard.
He's not eating it, he's just chewing it and spitting it out.
He just threw that bit at me.
It's good for his beak.
That's probably why ripped up all that cardboard what I gave him like 2 days ago.
Mhm.
Wait, what 2 days ago? 10 days ago. I know that was a long time ago though. Don't move my finger when it gets, up to there.
Yeah, don't go too close.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. You have to wiggle it. If it's close to it, 'cause then it wiggles its head. Go on. Come on. There you go. You're getting there now. Get in there now. You like cardboard, don't you? You like cardboard to chew and you like paper to chew. We have way more paper than cardboard, but we have to actually save the paper. Yeah. I'm going to flip it about. There you go. I had to fold it because, it was like all like this. Go on. Ah. My cardboard, not yours. Not actually going to take it away from you. No, I'm not doing it. Come on. I'm not actually going to take it away from you. You sausage. Are you filming it?
Mhm.
Come on. Come on. Now you want some nuts, don't you? I'll go get you some later. I'll go get you some later. Okay? Is that alright? Come on. Don't bite anyone. Come on.
Don't
Come on.
get too close, just in case.
Only bite this. Only
He's in
bite
a
this.
mood.
Well, now he's in the mood because he won't give me cardboard back. Yeah. He has to wiggle his head. Yeah, move my foot. Toby. Yeah. Are you taking that? Yeah. He's taking that, isn't he? Because I just gave it to him, then he threw it back at me.
Careful, make him jump then.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Come on. Come on. Ah. Yeah, it's okay. You don't need to chew it, because I'm not chewing it. No, you can. I'm not chewing cardboard, sorry.
Get him a nut out of his bag.
I will. Keep that with you for now. I'll be back in a minute.
What are you doing, Jobs? Do do do.
I was going to get in one. Dropped it. It's alright though. I'm back. Look what I've got for you. Is that alright? No, you want me to open it?
No, just pass it. Careful though.
I'm just going to give it to him on a plate.
Oh, he's making some noise.
Just threw it at him because I don't want him to bite my finger. Oh,
Chucks it back.
What? I'm giving you
No,
a
don't
nut.
do that. He might be wanting to make some noise now.
Don't want any cardboard right now, okay? I'll come and sit up here then. I know what he wants. Wait 1 minute. Yeah.
Toby.
Yeah, I have a toy to play with.
No, don't give him toys just in case.
No,
With
that's
plastic, yeah.
You can eat that. No. I feel like something really hard, can't it? This is hard, but Toby's way more stronger. So, So, and it moves about, so he might not like it. Look! Look!
No, don't give him that because he's not allowed plastic.
I'm not, I'm only doing this. to make him look over here. Because you know he looks here because his eyes on his there. So then he starts looking at this. Look, that's a good boy. I know Toby's a boy. We're literally every pet we have is a boy.
It is. Callum, no.
Here, your cardboard's here. Want some more of your cardboard? There you go. He'll eat that nut later, won't he?
Yeah. It's just bite.
Guess I don't want a nut right now. He loves them nuts, doesn't he?
Monkey nuts.
Yeah. What are you doing? You're putting it up. What? Move it down for him. Yeah. Come on. Don't do that when you're trying to do that with cardboard. Oh my gosh, what is he doing?
He's bonging it.
I don't think that's a good idea, Toby.
No.
Move up to this little corner. I hadn't really been this close to Toby before.
For a while.
Yeah. Unless I forgot about it. Because, you know, it's been ages since you took him out of the cage.
I know.
Why are you getting that teeny little bit? He's getting like that much. That much what my fingers are. Come on. No, you want more. Yeah. This side then. Toby. There. There. Yeah. He's weird with his spots, isn't he?
It is.
First of all, he grabbed that teeny little bit. He grabbed a teeny bit like that and went. And then just let it go with it. Come on. Come on. Got a teeny bit of cardboard on it. It's alright though. Can Toby fly?
Can't land because of his legs.
Oh, his legs are broken, isn't they?
Well, they're just too far up in his hips. Too short, technically. Because they're too up.
Well, all what matters is he's alive, isn't he?
And he's a good healthy bird. He's a nice bird.
Yeah. Unless when you annoy him and then he starts biting you, then yeah.
Well, then he would.
Don't want any more cardboard right now. I'll
Yeah,
give you this.
let's see if he does some noises now.
What do you probably will do? He won't do it when there's a camera right in his face, Callum. Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't.
Yeah, he's camera shy.
Well, he is shy, isn't he? But he's still a nice bird, isn't he? I'll go put this somewhere so he doesn't start biting it and moving around when you're not looking. I'm gonna hold my knees.
Yeah. 7 of y'all.
Don't try bite the phone this though. You can bite this though. Yeah, you can bite this though, not phone. Not the phone, this. There you go. That's better. That's cut them around here so I can't do it properly, can I?
Yeah.
There you go. Back around here, it's okay. Come on. I'm not going to take it away from you. I'm going to take it away from you when you don't want to do it anymore. Leave it there for him and, you know, do what he wants with it. I'll move that away so you can actually get him on camera. So you can't give him anything plastic.
No.
So it has to be like metal.
Yeah, or cardboard and stuff in them. We just clean it up.
Well, that won't be this hard to clean up, can it? Because it's on a towel, isn't it? So you can just put Toby away, get the towel lifted up and put it in the bin. Can't you? Not you. I didn't say you to get him put in the bin. Sausage. It's okay. Don't get all floated up. Now you haven't done another yarn. It's woken up like a minute ago, hasn't it?
Yeah.
That's why it's having so many arms.
Laser.
What are you doing? It's went. Come on, again. Alright. Alright. What?
Okay, well,
What if you didn't get that phone close to Toby? Because you might find it. Yeah? It won't bite Dad's phone because, you know, he's careful with his phone, okay? When he tries to bite it, you know, puts it back. So, yeah, put the phone in your top. It's cleaning itself now. I'll come and sit over here for him. No, I won't. I won't because I'm getting wet camera water. I'll just sit here instead. Hello! Hello! It's cleaning his feathers.
yeah, pruning.
I was just going to give him that noise. He's laying on it. He's laying on it.
Careful.
Earlier. Was he here for 50?
Yeah, it's bit me ages ago. That's all I remember. Only once though. Only once. Hello, Toby. It's not a cat. Because you know there's a cat at school called Coco. So I'm used to a cat and a bird and hamsters. Well, I'm used to cats because we used to have Princess, didn't we?
I did.
That's why I'm such good at doing cat noises and bird noises. I learned how to whistle like not even that long ago, and I've already started whistling to Toby, haven't I? When I learned how to whistle, I just whistled to Toby, didn't I? It's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to stop whistling to you. Toby, have you seen what you've done to that feather? Sticking up in air. Yeah, that won't go down. No, he stuck arm out. Here. Here. What are you doing? Here.
He don't want it, he's chucked it.
I'll move it over here for now. It's okay. Move all the big pieces down here for him later.